our channel. So today I am really excited because I'm finally doing a home decor haul. I know you guys love these videos. I haven't done one in so long. If you don't know, I moved into a new house about 3 months ago, and so I've just been trying to get everything set up, and of course I've had some stops at Homegoods and Ikea and different stores like that. So I found some cute things, so I just thought I'd share them with you guys. I hope you enjoy seeing what I got. Just a disclaimer, today's video is going to be kind of interesting. Kenzie is sitting right in front of me, and I've never filmed a video with her in the room. So if you hear lots of noises, that is the reason. My daughter is right here. So yeah, I tried to put her down for a nap, but that didn't go so well. So she just woke up out of the blue, so she's gonna hang out with me, and fingers crossed, I hope that I can get through this video. So let's get started right away. First store I will start with is Homegoods. Of course, I love Homegoods, obsessed. They have the cutest stuff ever. So I found a few things from them lately, and this is one of them. It is a really cute like tassel basket, and you can like store anything inside of here. It's really cute. It has a lot of tassel details all along the outside of it. I'm going to be using this for remotes, different like controllers for our TV, my husband's Xbox remote, stuff like that. So I think it's just a good location for it. It's a pretty good size in the center, so it's going to hold quite a lot of different things. So I just fell in love with this. It was only $7.99, and I thought that was a really great price. It feels like good quality. It's this beautiful cream white color. So yeah, $7.99 at HomeGoods. Loved that one. And then I also got this really cute sign from HomeGoods. This one says, "It feels so good to be home." And I just love that quote. I think it just gives off a really nice feeling. Right now we have this downstairs in our entryway. So when you come in, it's on like a little shelf, and I just think it's sweet when you enter in the house. This was, I think, $5.99. Really inexpensive. It's just like a wood material, and it has like a rustic gray and white feel. So yeah, and of course, again, I try and always do this in every video, but I'll try and leave a close-up of this if you want to get like a closer look into what it looks like. This is one of my favorite purchases from HomeGoods in a while. My mom actually got me this as like a housewarming gift. They're just some gorgeous fake peonies. They're in like this really light blush color. But I love it. It's so beautiful. It came in this really nice vase. Kenzie's trying to pull down this tray, so sorry for the distractions. Kenzie, it's okay. It comes in this really beautiful clear vase, and they look really real to me. They feel really nice. They don't feel super cheap. And I'm not gonna lie, I told my mom not to get me this because it was a little bit expensive. This was $50 for the whole thing. You get 6 stems out of this, but I still was like, no, it's too expensive. I wanted something a little bit more affordable, but she insisted, so I love it. I think it looks beautiful. I just had my dad, he did a DIY project for me, and he painted our dining room table. So he painted it completely white, and he redid our chairs, reupholstered them. So I think I'll show you guys in this video what my new table looks like with that flower display on it, and I really love it. I think it turned out beautiful, so I will show you guys how it transformed. It was like a dark black, and so now it's this beautiful bright white, and with these fake flowers on it, I think it just looks perfect. Alright guys, so here is that kitchen table I was telling you my dad DIY'd for me. So this used to be completely black, and he sanded it down, did all of that, and he reupholstered the chairs as well. And so that's the flower arrangement I showed, and here's it up close. I love it. Here are the chairs, and I love the pattern on them. It's like a gray and white. I don't even know what that pattern's called. We went to the fabric store at Joann's, and I picked that out. I think the gray looks perfect against the white, and I just love how it turned out. You want to say hi to everyone? Hello, everyone. She's waving to you guys. Say hi. Do you want to film YouTube videos too? Do you want to meet? Yeah, maybe I'll sit her on my lap and show you guys with her. I don't know if you'll be able to see her, but come. What do you want to see next, huh? So this next thing was actually a gift from one of my good friends, Rachel. I love you. Thank you. These are so cute. This is a Kate Spade 3-piece kitchen like pot holder set, and I love it. It's so cute. It comes with a towel and then 2 pot holders, and on the front it just says ice cream. On the back, this one has like really cute red cherries on it, and this is perfect. I always need more pot holders. I swear they always go missing somehow. But yeah, love this. So really excited to have a new set. So that was a good find. Alright, so next up from HomeGoods. This I'm really excited about. This is gonna go like, we have a little ledge on our staircase that this actually fits perfectly in, and it's this really cute, it's a fake plant, which is ideal for me because I can never keep anything alive, it seems. But yeah, it's just gray and white, and it has like a textured pattern on the base. It's just a really tall green fern, I guess. I don't even know what you call it, but it's perfect. I'll insert a close-up so you guys can see where I put it if you guys need some ideas, or if you're in the market for a good fake plant, HomeGoods is where it's at. Also, Ikea has really good ones too. I found a few from there the other day. So yeah, definitely excited about that. I'm gonna try and set her down. I'm gonna jump into what I got at Ikea because I got quite a few things from there. I'll start out with like some just random items. If you don't know, I'm obsessed with straws. I know that sounds weird, but I love straws. Like, it's just so much easier for me to drink out of. I'm really bad at drinking water, but for some reason having a straw in my water makes me more eager, I guess, to drink it. And I don't know, I just feel like I drink more water with a straw. Does anyone else feel like that? I don't know, maybe it's just me. But Ikea has my favorite straws ever, and they're only like $1.49, but they come in a bunch of different colors, and there's 100 straws in this pack for like $1. That's such a great deal. To go along with it, I got this beautiful like white container from Ikea, and it just has some like beautiful lace scallop details. So I'm gonna put the straws in here because it's just more convenient for me to grab. But yeah, so I'm thinking something like this where I just put them in there and they're really accessible on my kitchen counter, and the colors go great in my kitchen, so I thought it was perfect. So these next 2 things are also from Ikea, and I'm looking to get very organized in 2018. That's my goal, to be extremely organized in every area of my house. So I got these boxes. They were only 99 cents, and they're like that beautiful blue that I love. And if you watched my mom's DIY laundry room that I did for her, then these boxes we used in there. So I'll link that video right here if you want to check it out, if you're looking for some laundry room organization. But I got these to put in like my junk drawer in my kitchen, and I'll show you guys what they look like when they're assembled. But I think they'll be perfect to just like store things and make it look more organized and not as cluttered. Because I don't know about you, but my junk drawer is a disaster. So yeah, this is a great thing, and they're so inexpensive. They're only 99 cents. So I'll make sure to link them down below if you're needing some good organization. I went into Ikea's kitchen section, and they have some really cool stuff. These are pretty much just like Tupperware containers, and I think these are perfect for like cutting up fruits and vegetables and putting them in your fridge. That way they're ready for you. It's easier to eat healthier, in my opinion, when you already have cut up vegetables. That way I can just throw together a quick salad and it's good to go. So I got a few of those, and then I got a bigger one. This is great for leftovers if you need a really cute container, or if you're looking for cute containers. So really great price, love it. I think it's really cute. Alright, this next thing is from Ikea as well, and they actually have these at Walmart, and it just saved me a trip from having to go to Walmart, which was super nice. Here. So my idea for this, it's just a glass canister. This is going to work perfect in my kitchen for Kelsey's formula. Right now it's just in that ugly container it comes in with the formula from Gerber. and so it just looks so tacky on our counter, and it's just been driving me crazy. So I thought this was a great idea to put the formula in this. It'll just make it look nice and fresh on our counter, so I'm excited. I can't wait. This was only $4.99. They have tons of these at Ikea. I think they have larger ones as well if you're in the market. But yeah, great place and amazing price, so really happy with that. Then this one is kind of hard to show you guys. I'll have to show you when it's actually up, and that way you can see how I styled it and everything. But this is just a long coat rack, and you can just like hang whatever you want on here. So I'm going to put this downstairs in our entryway, and I think it's cute. It's just like plain white, and I have some ideas for it down there. And then I got 6 of these frames at Ikea, and Ikea is such a great place to get frames. These ones at Ikea are my favorite because they're just white, they look fresh, and they're only, I think these ones were $6.99, and this is a 12 by 16. I'm going to be doing a gallery wall in our master bedroom, and I love putting like beautiful family photos and just different memories in here. It just makes the space feel like your own. And so yeah, this is just a white picture I found in their kitchen section. I actually think I've seen a lot of people like put different plants in this or different fake flowers, and I think that's what I'm going to do. I have an idea to put like a shelf on one of our walls, so I'm trying to fill it with different things like this. And so I'm going to put this on it with maybe like a cute little flower arrangement. I haven't figured it out yet. But yeah, so I love this. I think this will look really cute. So excited about that. Alright guys, so for the rest of this haul, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk around and show you some different pieces that are too large to hold. Some different like art pieces I got for our walls. So come with me and I'll show you. So this is going to be going on one of our walls, I think downstairs in our entryway, and I loved what it said so much. Live every day with intention. I just love that quote, so I knew it had to come home with me, and I just love the frame as well. It's very light wash wood, and this was from Homegoods. It was $39.99, and I can't wait to hang it up. Okay, so I forgot to share this one, but I actually got 2 of these. One is larger than this, and this is another like organization piece that I'm going to be using in my closet, and I love these. These are awesome storage bins, and it's that pretty light blue color, and it's like a fabric material on top. What I'm going to be using this for is one box is for like bras and socks and underwear and stuff like that. So that's what this one's being used for, and then the other large one right now has like some extra like winter clothes that I'm not going to be wearing, and just things that I won't grab as much. This smaller one was $9.99, and then the bigger one was $14.99. But these are awesome for storage. They hold a lot of stuff, and I think they go perfectly with my decor and the color scheme, of course. So yeah, I'm excited to start putting these to use. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but while I was filming, right behind me there was this plant, and I just got this plant recently and I'm in love with it. It's so awesome. It's one of those like fig leaf trees. I'll try and come closer to show you. It's a fake one, which is awesome for me, so I don't have to keep it alive. But yeah, it looks beautiful. I just love that it adds some color to the space and some greenery, and I think it looks perfect right in the corner here. It's actually like a white cream pot, and it looks real to me, so that's why I love it. And right next to it I have my lamp, which you guys have seen before, but if you're not subscribed to our channel, I got this lamp from overstock.com, and it's really pretty. It's like a chandelier lamp. Alright guys, so that is everything for this video. I'm going to end it here. Kenzie is finally down for her nap, so fingers crossed she will stay asleep for a while. But I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got, and I'm so happy to finally be doing another home decor haul. It's been way too long, and it's seriously my favorite. It's my passion. I love home decor, so definitely stay tuned. I have so many organization ideas, so I'm going to be doing a few of those videos, and definitely subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. If you love organization, mom life, anything like that, home decor, then definitely subscribe. I would love to have you, and I so appreciate you guys watching, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.